Hey there, fitness warriors. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of fat loss and cardio. If you've been wondering about the best ways to shed those extra pounds, you're in for a treat. We've got some science-backed insights from a recent article on BOXROX. So, grab your water bottle, because we're about to explore the best cardio for fat loss. It's time to set the record straight. According to a comprehensive article on BOXROX, the science behind cardio for fat loss is fascinating. Let's break it down. First up, we have the game changer, high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. This method involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods. HIIT not only burns calories during the workout but also keeps your metabolism elevated, promoting fat loss even after you've finished sweating it out. Steady-state cardio is another contender. It involves maintaining a consistent moderate-intensity pace, like jogging or cycling, for an extended period. This type of cardio can help your body tap into fat stores for energy, making it an excellent option for fat loss. Remember, the key to fat loss is burning more calories than you consume. Cardio aids this by increasing your energy expenditure. But it's essential to strike a balance with your diet to achieve the best results. The article highlights that the best cardio for fat loss depends on your preferences and fitness level. Whether you're into HIIT, steady state, or a mix of both, consistency is the name of the game. Experts recommend combining cardio with strength training for optimal fat loss. Building lean muscle mass can boost your metabolism, making your fat-burning efforts even more effective. There you have it, folks, a sneak peek into the world of fat loss and cardio, based on insights from BOXROX. Remember, the best cardio for fat loss is the one that suits your goals and preferences. Like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and science-backed insights. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep pushing towards a healthier you.